Hello guys, in today's video I will share with you the live results I got with my Forex trading strategy during the 2023 year. I will share with you my trading journal and also give you for free all the details about this passive strategy that all of you will be able to use to profit as I did. My name is AlgoTrade Pro and welcome to my channel. Let's get started. Before jumping to the trading journal, I will show you every single condition and setting of this Forex strategy, so you can use it too. For those who are new here, this strategy was created based on the no-nonsense Forex method, a trading system based on indicators that work together to achieve consistent profits in a way that you only need about 10 minutes per day to trade, which is highly achievable by any of you. Even if you prefer scalping strategies, you can use this strategy as well to get more diversity in your trading. So as you can see on my charts, the full system looks like this, but let's clear everything so I can show you the step by step. So now that the chart is cleaned, let's start by inserting the indicators we will need, which by the way are all free to use. For that, let's go to the indicators tab and click on it. The first indicator you will need to insert is called UT-bot. And you can use this one here by Quant Nomad. The UT-bot is going to be our entry trigger indicator, the indicator that tells us when we should enter in a long or short position. And it is quite simple to understand how, because as you probably have noticed, the UT-bot displays the buy and sell signals on your chart, so you know exactly when to enter in a trade. This indicator does not repaint the signals and works based on trends. With the default settings, it displays a lot of signals, so let's go to its settings, change the key value to 2 and click on OK. Much better. The indicator by itself is already quite efficient, but we will now include confirmation indicators so that we only enter in the best signals given by the UT-bot. So let's go again to the indicators tab, type basic polychromatic momentum and click on it. This indicator is going to be our momentum confirmation indicator, a type of indicator that confirms the direction of the signals given by the UT-bot. The polychromatic momentum is formed by this blue line called PMI and by a zero line, and it is very simple to use. When the PMI line is above the zero line, it means the momentum is bullish, and when it is below the zero, it means the momentum is bearish. In addition, the background colors also change according to the momentum, in a way that is very simple to notice which type of momentum is present in the markets. For this strategy, I found out that the best settings to use are 15 for the length and 6 for the smoothing. And in this way, you will only take a buy signal from the UT-bot if the momentum on the polychromatic indicator is bullish, and the sell signal if the momentum is bearish. So we have our trigger indicator and our momentum indicator. Now, as you probably know, about 80% of the time the Forex market trends sideways, so it is highly important to have a good volume indicator that protects us from entering in a sideways market. Let's click again on the indicators tab and search for the Guadalajara explosion. And you can use this one called V2. This one is a famous volume indicator which works very well on Forex. It is formed by these volume bars and by two lines, the explosion line and the dead zone line. On its settings, let's change them to 80, 22, 45, 25 and 2, and on the style section change the color of the explosion line to yellow, increase its opacity and turn off the dead zone line, which in this strategy doesn't do anything. Using this indicator is also quite simple. You only take buy signals if the volume bar is green, and it doesn't matter if it is this dark or this light green, it just needs to be green, and at the same time it needs to be above the explosion line. The same applies to short positions. The volume bar needs to be red, and it can be this dark or this light red, and also needs to be above the explosion line. So now for a valid long position, the UT-bot has to give a buy signal, the polychromatic needs to show a bullish momentum, and the volume bar from the Guadalajara explosion needs to be green and above the yellow line. And the opposite is true for short positions. Next, let's insert the baseline indicator, an indicator that has the functions of another entry trigger indicator and also a confirmation function. Let's insert the one I use for this Forex strategy, and then I will explain better its functions. So let's head again to the indicators tab and type T3MA with ATR bands. The exact one I use is this custom one I created and published. It is free to use, so you can use it too. And for those who would like to have access to the source code, you can also do it. You just need to join my free Discord community, the link is in the description, head over to the free materials channel and there you will find the code of this T3MA indicator. Open up this node, copy the code and then on the TradingView charts click on the Pine editor, then on Open, New Indicator and then just paste the code and save it. After that, just click on the Add to Chart option and you will have this custom T3MA with the ATR bands working and with the right settings, which are 20 and 0.4. If you like this free indicator, don't forget to show me your support by subscribing and clicking on the like button. The T3MA, which is this middle yellow line, is a type of moving average, but it is smoother than a simple or exponential one, and it was the best one for this strategy after backtesting 15 different types of moving averages. Then, these light yellow lines are the ATR bands. The upper one is the ATR plus band, and the lower one is the ATR minus band. As I told you, this baseline has two main functions. The first one is the confirmation function. So, just like the polychromatic and the Quadratar explosion confirmed the signals from the UT bot, now the T3MA with the ATR bands will also do it. For a valid buy signal from the UT bot, in addition to all the other conditions from the other indicators, now the price will also need to be above this baseline, but at the same time below the ATR plus band, around this zone. And for a valid short signal, the price will need to be under this baseline, but at the same time above the ATR minus band, so around this area. These bands will filter a lot of signals that have a low probability of success, because if the price is very far from the baseline, then the probability of a pullback occurring is very high. And then, this baseline will also have the function of another trigger indicator. So, if the price crosses and closes above it, we will also consider it a long position. And if the price crosses and closes below it, we will also consider it a short position. And regardless of the direction of the position, all the other indicators need to confirm it, including the UT bot. Here you can see an example of a valid long signal given by the baseline, where all the other conditions confirm the signal, and here you have an example of a valid short signal. Another rule you can implement is the one candle rule, which basically allows you to wait for one extra candle for all the indicators and rules to be aligned for a possible entry, just like I am showing you in this example. At the moment when the price crossed and closed above the baseline, all the indicators confirm the position except the polychromatic, so you wouldn't have taken that trade. But on the next candle, the polychromatic flipped, and all the other indicators still confirm the signal, and that new candle didn't close above the plus ATR band. So, by using the one candle rule, you would have the possibility of taking that trade, which was a great one. This rule is completely up to you, but in my case, I use it. By doing so, you now know all the conditions that need to be true in order to take a position. Perfect. Now let's talk about the way you should deal with the risk management of this strategy. But before that, let me just briefly tell you that if you think all these conditions seem too much to handle, don't worry, because at the end of this video I will share the best way to apply this strategy in a full automatic way without needing to insert any indicators and also without needing to be looking at the charts. If you want to know how this is possible, stay tuned until the end of the video. So, risk management. For every position you will have a stop loss and a take profit that change according to the market volatility. For that, you will need to insert the ATR indicator, a type of volatility indicator that tells you the average number of pips the price has moved for the past 14 candles, and that number can be checked here with the red color. For inserting your stop losses, you will need to check the ATR number at the close of the entry candle and multiply it by 1.5. In this example, the ATR number is 60.4 at the close of the entry candle, and so by multiplying it by 1.5, we will get 19.6 pips, which will be the value of the stop loss. Then, for the take profit, you just need to insert the ATR number, so 60.4 pips. And this will just be our first take profit, where we will close 50% of the position and put the stop loss on the entry point. Because after that, and in order to scale our profits as much as possible, we will apply the trailing stop loss to our second half of the position, which will always be placed the same number of pips of the stop loss below the closing price. So in this trade example, this trailing stop loss will always be 19.6 pips away from the closing prices, and we only need to adjust it every time the price makes a new high and closes. So on the next candle, the price made a new high, and so we will insert the trailing stop loss 19.6 pips below the closing price, so about here. Then on the next candles, the price didn't make any new highs, so the trailing stop loss will be exactly on the same level. On this candle, the price made a new high and closed, so we will have updated our trailing stop loss to 90.6 pips below it, and so on until the trailing stop loss is hit. And as you can notice, with this method you can get more profits than just by using one fixed take profit. Besides these exit conditions, if at any time the UT bot or the baseline indicators give an opposite signal during an open trade, you will close it as the odds are now against you. In addition to these two indicators, I also like having a third and faster exit indicator, which for this forex strategy is the Arun indicator with a length of 10. So if the Arun gives a short signal in the middle of a long trade, which means the blue line crosses the orange one, we will close that trade. And the opposite is true for short valid signals from my system. I remind you that the Arun indicator is only used to exit from trades and is not used in any way for entries. And now you have all the rules and conditions of my forex trading strategy. It works on all the 28 most common forex pairs and was developed to be used on the daily time frame. And that's why you only need 10 minutes per day to trade this strategy at the closing of the daily candle. And although this is a highly passive strategy with about 7 trades per month when trading the whole 28 currency pairs, the results are quite good. From 2012 to 2022, this strategy produced on average a net profit of 15% every single year by using just a 2% risk per trade, and with high efficiency and consistency, as you can see by analyzing the equity curve, which is beautiful. I remember you a 15% net profit just by trading 10 minutes per day and without considering any compounding of profits. It is well above the market average. In the description I will leave the link to this Excel, which you can click to see more stats about this strategy. So let's find out how I got a $16,000 net profit by using this strategy during 2023. Here you can see my trading journal with all the trades I took with this forex strategy. The first one was on the 3rd of January and the last one on December 17th. I didn't take any trades after that because it was the Christmas season. And just to remind you, all the trades were taken based on the exact rules and conditions I shared with you at the beginning of the video. So you can pause the video and go check all these trades on your charts if you wish so. After taking 96 trades during the whole year, which is about 8 trades per month, I have managed to get a net profit of 16.06%, which is exactly what this strategy can give you on average. Here you can check more statistics, and by analyzing the equity curve, you can see that even with this drawdown that happened during July, the strategy quickly recovered and made even more profits, and by using only a risk per trade of 2%. If you change that risk, this is the profit you may expect to get. But well, these were my results with my forex trading strategy during 2023. During this video, you have learned how to exactly apply this strategy for yourself. But if you want to simplify the process and have everything automated, you can have access to my trading bot that has this forex strategy fully coded. With it, you can not only backtest or optimize the strategy in seconds, but you can also automate the trading process. The bot calculates everything for you, including the lot size, and deals with the stop losses, take profits, and even with the trailing stop loss system, and applies every single condition in seconds, and by using it, you can enjoy the profits without having any work. You can check my last video to see how the bot works. The link to that video is in the description. And you can have access to it and many other trading bots with different trading strategies by becoming a member of my Patreon starting at just $4. Yes, with $4 you will have access to this powerful and efficient trading tool. All the links, both to access my Patreon and to find out what bots I have available at the moment, are in the description as well. Besides that, I can also give you the opportunity to work directly with me, whether to create your dream trading strategy, to conduct professional statistical studies and robustness tests to your strategy, or even if you would like to have a meeting directly with me so I can help you in your personal needs. All that information is on my website algotradepro.org. And that's it. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video to help me continue to bring you this type of unique trading content. Be well, thank you and bye bye.